Morning class 8. Welcome to the computer class. I am your teacher Nitish Kumar. Today we read our chapter number 3. Chapter number 3. Learn to use MS Access. So MS Access. MS Access is a type of database. We store our data and information in the form of table. What is a database? Then the question arises, what is a database? The collection of related table with the data is known as database. Now I have one more question. What is the advantage of database? Why we use the database? So there is so many advantages: easy retrieving of data, redundancy of data, encryptions, easy storing of data, high data security, easy manipulation of data. So what it is? Easy retrieving of data. When we use a database, then we can retrieve our data from any places. Redundancy of data. डेटा का मतलब डुप्लीकेशन रोक देता है. इजी स्टोरिंग ऑफ डेटा. डेटा एक ही जगह पे स्टोर होगा. देन इज ऑल्सो वेरी इजी टू स्टोर द डेटा. ओनली वी हैव टू राइट द डेटा एंड डेटा मस्ट बी स्टोर. हाई डेटा सिक्योरिटी. व्हेन वी स्टोर डेटा ओनली इन वन प्लेस, इट इज वेरी हाई डेटा सिक्योरिटी. So now we see how can we create a database. This is MS Access which we have to read. Now we start with first we have to create a database. How can we create a database in MS Access? So for this one, go in a blank database. If you have this type of symbol, then go in a blank database. Click here. Then a database one, I have to change the name. For example, class 8. Create. Now we have the table. As I already say you, we store our data in the form of table. But I don't want to create a table like this. So there is so many way to create a table. For example, I am viewing my table. Okay, first you have to give some name to your table. For example, I am going to ABC. Now this is the table. I am going to change the ID to auto number to change the text. Okay. Then the second column name is name. Then I put this data is also is number text. Then class is also text. Role, roll number, we must push the roll number in the number. What is a data type? First you also have to understand what is a data type. Data type means the type of data that can be stored in a variable. Means एक डेटा में किस तरह का वेरिएबल जाएगा. जैसे टेक्स्ट मतलब ABCD या 1 2 3. ओके, नंबर मतलब सिर्फ नंबर. एंड देयर इज सो मेनी टाइप ऑफ डेटा. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई वांट टू अबाउट योर फी, देन वी पुट द डेटा इन करेंसी. ओके, for example, date of birth, then I put the data type is date and time. There is a date and time. So this type of data when we have to store in a database. Now our table is ready. How can we save our table? To come simply press the Ctrl plus S. Now our data is saved. Table modification is saved. Now double click on the table. You have the data that we have created. Now the ID, I am filling a data, name, class, role. Now I am gonna see you. We choose the role as a number. Now I am giving some data in text. It's not gonna move forward because why? Because we choose the data type for the role is a number, so we have to give the number. Enter new value. Fee, I choose a fee in money, so we have to give them money. Look, it's automatically converted to the $500. Date and time, when we choose a date and time, date of birth, we choose a database as a data type is a date and time. So a calendar is automatically comes here. You can choose your date. Okay, I'm choosing the date, anyone's date of birth. and the year is not mentioned, then I easily change the year from here. Now it's good. Now I'm filling one more data. Look, I write the same ID. Okay, what is the use of same ID? I will told you after this filling this row. Okay, choose any date. Okay, now when we go in the next line, then it's so the changes is required there is successful because there is a create a duplicate value. You see there is a duplicate value, and why it's only sees in ID? ये ID में ही क्यों दिख रहा है सिर्फ डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू वाला? चलिए पहले तो मैं इसका डेटा चेंज कर देता हूँ, उसके बाद मैं बताता हूँ ये कैसे होगा. So first we have to go in a view option once again. Look, there is a key symbol with your ID. That means it is a primary key. The primary key does not be the same value with the same one. हम primary key को duplicate नहीं कर सकते. Okay, it not must be duplicate with anyone. Okay, दो ID की एक same नहीं हो सकता. For example, your admission number is not same with the another student. Every student have a separate admission number. That's why the ID having the primary key and he does not have the same number in a two columns. Okay, or the same digit in a two columns. So that's why we are using primary key. Now again go to our data. Now I am filling the data, then Control S for saving our data. This is the way to save our data. Now how can we create one more data table? अब हम लोग एक और टेबल बनाना चाहते हैं. Then how can we create a table? So simply go in here, file, choose the new option. If you don't want to do all these things, then simply go in a create option. Okay, design table or normal table. When we click on the normal table, then we have the table like the older version, जो पहले हमको एक बार जब शुरू किया था तब मिला था वैसा ही मिल रहा है. हम यहाँ पे भी मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं. चलिए करके देखते हैं. सेकेंड कॉलम में जाते हैं, इसको रीनेम करेंगे. रीनेम द कॉलम नेम, नेम. Okay, class, role. This type we can store a data, but there is a problem. We can't show the data type is, he automatically choose the data type what he wants. Okay, so this type of problem or solving of this type of problem, we have to go in a view option and change the data table name once again. Because of saving a table, then you have to change the all the things or view the things. I am giving any name for the table. Now again look, these all are the text and it's auto number. Auto number is very auto number data type. It's choose the data for its own. ये अपने मर्जी से अपने लिए कोई भी डेटा चूज कर लेता है. ठीक है, अगर हमको अलग डेटा चाहिए तो हमको यहाँ पर टेक्स्ट चूज करना पड़ेगा. अपने मर्जी का डेटा चाहिए तो. ओके, अगेन वी चूजिंग फॉर नंबर फॉर द रोल नंबर. Now Control S and again double click on the table. Now our table is created. Okay, filling of data, you know how to fill the data. Now in a table 2, I'm going to delete a data. How can we delete a data? For deleting a data, select the data. Now data is selected. Okay, now when I click like this, when we have this type of error, then we select the data and simply click the delete button. Okay, simply click the delete button from your keyboard and the data must be deleted. For modification of data, simply go here and change the data what you want. Okay, it's very easy. Control S again, your data must be saved. Okay, so this is the way to create a data. Now when we are in a database, I want to create a new database. How can we create a new database? So we simply go in a file button, choose new option. When we choosing the new option, this page is automatically comes outside the blank database, the table database. We have to do the same way which we start to end. This is the same way how to use a database. Thank you for watching this video.